If you have a garden hose that's leaking from the connection points or it's on its last legs like mine is here, there's actually a really simple fix you can do. You can buy these new connectors, and basically you can buy any connectors you want. I like these because they're metal. I've tried the plastic ones before, but they tend to be a little bit more bulky and they don't last as long in my opinion. This kit here does come in a pack of 6. There's 3 male and 3 female. I've just used one already. This is actually really easy to use, so in my case, I need to cut off a little bit of the hose just because it's already getting warped. But if your connection's just leaking, you can cut it right at the connector. You can cut it with pretty much anything that will get through a garden hose. I prefer to use this PEX pipe cutter. It works really well for me. The cut doesn't even need to be super straight, just as long as you're close. Then you simply loosen the screws on the clamp and then slide it over the hose, and then you insert the connector. Make sure you leave a little room, especially on the female part, so that you can spin it. And then just make sure when you're tightening it, it helps to tighten one side, then the other, then switch back and forth until you get it tight. Also, bonus tip, if you ever need a custom sized hose, this kit works wonderfully for that. I needed a 3-foot hose. And basically I was able to make a 3-foot hose and repair 2 other hoses and then have a female and a male adapter left over for basically the cost of a brand new 3-foot hose.